Hi everyone, it's Will from Project BRZ here. Today I'm going to be reviewing my Blitz NUR-SPEC C-Ti titanium exhaust for my BRZ. Now I had this fitted relatively soon after purchasing the car, so I had a little bit of experience with the stock exhaust and then fitted this one on. There's no other engine modifications at all at this point in time, so it's a good chance to review the exhaust on its own and the differences that it makes without any other modifications. So what I'll do is I'll show you a couple of different clips around the vehicle so you get a good overview of what the exhaust sounds like, and then once we've done that I'll wrap everything up with my thoughts and impressions. Alright, so what are my impressions of the exhaust? Well, I really love the sound. It's not a whole lot louder than stock inside the car. In fact, under about 3,500 RPM, you don't even notice the difference in volume. There's absolutely no drone at all driving along the freeway or anything like that, which is really great. But once you get above 4,500 RPM and really open it up, it sounds absolutely fantastic. It really starts to come of its own, and you can hear the exhaust quite clearly over the sound of the engine pipe as well, which is really nice. The BRZ's got that pipe that runs from the intake that ducts into the cabin of the car and gives it a bunch of sort of artificial volume, and so it's quite a good sound. But the exhaust note over the top of that is really nice. So really, I feel like the it could be a touch louder, but at the same time, I'm very happy with how it's come out. So what I'll do is I'll give you a couple more little runs through to about 7,000 RPM once I get out on the open road again, and just let you have another listen to what the car sounds like with the NUR-SPEC C-Ti Blitz exhaust. So that was a pull to about 7,000 RPM, and then this is cruising along at 60 kilometers an hour in third gear at around 3,000 RPM. So you can hear there's no drone at all. It's all you're really hearing is just the engine note at that RPM level and speed. So yeah, really happy with the sound. Now in terms of power increase, none that I can tell. I haven't put the car on a dyno, but it doesn't feel any faster at all. Throttle response has maybe improved a touch, but I mean that's probably just placebo effect. So I wouldn't say, you know, bolt this exhaust on and you're going to feel a huge increase in power. It might be 2 or 3 horsepower, but it's not enough to notice without a tune at least. Changing your extractors and front pipe might make a bit more of a difference, but yeah, as part of a tune, I'm sure it's a great exhaust, but it's not something that you're going to bolt onto your car and instantly feel a huge increase in power. But you're not really going to get that with any exhaust, I don't think. It's just not that kind of an engine. So I hope this video has been useful for you if you own a Toyota 86 or Scion FRS or Subaru BRZ. There's a lot of exhausts out there. This is the one I chose. I'm really happy with it. But yeah, as always, make sure you watch lots of different videos to figure out what it is that's going to suit your needs the best. Like the video if it's been useful for you, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for all the latest updates on the project, and I'll see you next time.